Hey there. In this session, we're going to simplify complex nested JavaScript objects into flat ones with dot separated key paths. This pattern is great for configurations, query strings, or when you need an object in a format that's easy to index. By the end, you'll be able to take a deeply nested object and turn it into a flat one with just a few lines of code. Let's see how recursion and object operations can make this really efficient. Our goal here is to convert each leaf into a new key that represents its full path. That way, instead of nesting, we have a single flat object where each key tells you exactly where it came from. This makes your data much more easier to handle when working with APIs or config files. Let's take a closer look at how we can achieve this using recursion. This function uses recursion to handle deep structures. We'll check if a key's value is an object. If so, we call the function again, adding the current key to the prefix. If it is a simple value, we store it using the combined path as the key. This way, we build up a flat object where each path is unique and complete. The function works by walking through the object tree step by step. When it finds a nested object, it dives deeper while tracking the full path with a prefix. When it finds a value, it stops and records that value using the full path as the key. It then combines all paths into one final flat object that's easy to work with. These examples help us confirm that the function works across various depths. In each case, the leaf values are preserved and the key paths are accurately constructed. It even works for single layer or fully flat objects by just passing through them. This flexibility is why this technique is so handy in real-world coding. Flattening isn't just theoretical, it's practical. Whether you're working with user settings, no SQL documents, or dynamic forms, flattening lets you handle data structures uniformly. This helps reduce complexity when integrating with APIs or external systems. And there you have it. We learned how to recursively flatten a JavaScript object while preserving a full key path. With just a few lines of code, we can transform complex nested data to something simple and manageable. This technique is powerful for a range of JavaScript applications. Thanks for joining me, and keep flattening those objects. Happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. We'll see you in the next one.